How to send voice message. Our guest pressing issue to send voice message on WhatsApp business application. If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open WhatsApp business application on a mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now just select the contact list that you want to send your voice message. After you open the contact list, look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see this icon for mic. Just simply tap on it. In order to send the voice message, you need to hold it for a second and speak up. Once you finish talking, just simply leave the mic icon. And that's it, guys. That's how you're gonna send voice message on WhatsApp business application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.